All right, y'all, what's going on? Terry Tyler here, about to take you live on the storm. We are currently documenting Hurricane Irma. It is coming in. There have been several different bands. We're still a while out from the main band. We may lose signal, but let's go ahead and show you what's going on in the fucking wind, man. I'm trying to get the thing to pull in, but the thing is getting dry, so this is basically what we're looking at here. And we're going to conserve the bandwidth a little bit.